Stop wasting money on UI designers. What if I told you Google just launched an AI that designs your entire app and website interface instantly? Meet Google Stitch, the ultimate UI generator that turns your ideas into stunning mobile and web designs in seconds. This is the future of app design. Let's dive in. Let's go to Google and search for Stitch AI, then click on the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of Stitch. Stitch is an experimental tool by Google that allows us to create designs for websites and mobile apps. We can start designing using either standard mode or experimental mode. Standard mode helps you design faster with Gemini 2.5 Flash, quickly edit themes, and export to Figma. Experimental mode provides higher fidelity designs with Gemini 2.5 Pro and allows you to use an image as inspiration. For this demonstration, we'll go through the experimental mode. First, we select whether we want to design for a mobile app or a website based on our needs. We can also attach a sketch, mock-up, or visual inspiration if required. To begin, we need to enter a description of our design. For this example, I'll paste this description. I want to create a mobile app design for an e-commerce store. Please provide the screen details and theme patterns. Next, we select the type of design that fits our needs. Here, we'll choose mobile app. Then press Generate Design. Stitch will first analyze our prompt. Once the analysis is complete, it will generate the following screens: Welcome screen, Product listing screen, Product details screen, Shopping cart screen, Checkout screen, Order confirmation screen. We'll also see a suggestion area. If we want to generate all screens at once, simply type Create all screens in the description bar and press Enter. It will take a few seconds to generate the design, so be patient. Once the design is ready, we'll see a beautiful, stunning layout for our app. First, we have the Welcome screen, followed by the Product screen, where different types of products are displayed. We can select the ones that best fit our needs. Next is the Product details screen, which shows detailed information about the product, including reviews and ratings. Then we have the Shopping cart screen, followed by the Checkout screen, where users can enter their details. Finally, we see the Order confirmation screen. Using Stitch, we can create such beautiful designs simply by describing our ideas. Now let's go through a suggested action. For example, we can click Add User Profile. It will take a few seconds to create a polished design for a user profile. Once it's ready, we'll see another beautiful layout appear. It's time to forget about hiring expensive UI designers. With Stitch, you can design your app yourself. We can also adjust themes, create variations, switch between mobile and desktop views, export, download screens, view code, or delete designs as needed. To adjust the theme, click on Adjust Theme. From here, we can switch between light mode and dark mode, change the color palette, corner radius, and font style according to our preferences. After selecting the colors and settings, click Apply Theme. Once applied, you'll see a beautifully updated design. If we want only one screen in dark mode, simply select the desired screen and type Create this screen in a dark theme. Then press Enter. It will take a few seconds, and once done, the dark mode design will be ready. With Stitch, you can create app designs by just describing your idea and customizing everything according to your needs, quickly and effortlessly. We can also download the image or view the code. Let's go ahead and download the design. Once the download is complete, open it, and you'll see both the code and the screen design. Wow, amazing. Using Stitch, we can create both mobile app and web designs easily. To apply the dark theme to all screens, just click Apply Dark Theme to other screens. It will take a few seconds to update all designs. Once ready, your entire project will appear in dark mode. By simply describing your idea, you can customize every part of your design to perfectly match your needs. You can change everything: layout, colors, typography, and more. It's time to stop hiring expensive UI designers for your app and website design. From today, try Stitch to design your apps and websites right from your home. Try out this amazing AI tool yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to AI USTED 2.0 for the latest updates on AI tools and trends.